The pools at the Rosemary Recreation Complex recently opened for the 2023 season, and it's the first summer since 2020 in which there are no COVID restrictions in place. Take a look at what this summer has in store for community members.
The pools at the Rosemary Recreation Complex recently opened in June, kicking off the 2023 summer season in Needham.
So the soft opening was June 10th and 11th, and then we opened fully June 17th and 18th. And now we're open until about the end of August. I believe, and I know the Commission believes very strongly, that every child should learn how to swim. So having a facility with this many options and depths of water is really important for swim lessons for people of all ages.
The pool's hours are structured around lap and family swim time to accommodate multiple patron uses. And the pool is also hosting other fun events this summer that the community can get involved in.
Monday to Friday, we're open to the public for lap swimming and water walking from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then we're open for free open swim at 1:15 to 7:30 Monday to Friday. On the weekends, we're open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We are doing 3 family fun nights. We have a bunch of games and fun things happening. And it's the one time that we allow like flotation devices, ball games, things like that in the pool.
We do not have any COVID restrictions this summer, so I'm hoping that the numbers are definitely on the increasing side. We're also trying to outreach different areas of the community to make sure that everyone feels that they have access to the pool. So it's been helpful to get to know a lot of different people in the community and actually see that within the numbers that we're receiving.
Community residents and non-residents can purchase daily or season passes to enjoy the pool all summer long. And the pool has done their part in making sure that it's accessible for all patrons.
Well, this facility in general is actually very accessible, including the splash pad. So we have an ADA accessible ramp down to our splash pad. There's also one here down to the pools. The biggest accessibility that we have is the pool with the slides. Is a zero entry pool, which means it's like a beach. You can just walk into the water and it gradually gets deeper and deeper depending on your comfort levels, depending on how you can get out there. So you can be in a wheelchair and roll out there. We have the water wheelchair where the staff can help you get in, and the wheelchair itself floats so you can stay in or you can hop out and do your swimming. And we also have a chair lift, which a battery is being ordered, has been ordered for that chair lift. So as soon as it comes in, that chair can get you up and out of your accessible chair and shifted over and placed into the water.
We work to make sure that everyone feels included, and making people know that there is a face to the name behind the email and the phone calls is really important to me. So being able to be out on the deck and getting to know people as well as my staff and creating that relationship just because I am fairly new is really important to me. Not only are we trying to put a face to a name, but making sure that residents feel heard, non-residents as well. So one thing that is really helpful is our website. It has a bunch of different information. We have a brochure that is specifically for the pool. And if any questions aren't answered within that, feel free to call the office, email me directly. And if I don't know the answer, I'll definitely try and make sure to get back to you as soon as possible with whatever you have a question on.
It's clear there's plenty of fun to be had this summer, so stop by to cool off sometime. For the Needham Channel News, this has been Catherine Brody.